freaking email. Hola guys, it's me, and I'm coming to you with a, I guess, first impressions and swatching of the new collection from Lauralee Los Angeles. So she has, if you did not know, she came out with a new bronzing kit, or highlighting kit, I'm sorry, not a bronzing kit, highlighting kit, and some new lippies. I definitely have her Nudie Patootie palette, and I have also a few of her liquid lipsticks. So I personally do enjoy her products. The lippies I've always liked because they feel really nice and comfortable, and they don't dry out your lips, and the colors are really pretty, and they smell pleasant as well. Her eyeshadow palette, like I said, I have the Nudie Patootie, and I do enjoy it. It's a really nice neutral palette. Haven't used it in a bit, but I did use it a lot at one time. I guess because, you know, you just have so much makeup you can't get to it all. So yeah, but I did pick up the, where is it? Okay, for me, because I'm fair, the Glazed lip kit. So here it is right here. And then I picked up her Glazed and Bronze liquid lipstick. So she has two of these. There is Glazed and then there's Bronze. So the Glazed kit is for light to medium, and then the deeper skin tones would use the Bronze palette. But obviously you can use whichever palette you want. You can use any color and use it as an eyeshadow, highlighter, or whatever is your wishing. So this was the one that I got, and the price ranges were actually very nice. I was very appreciative of the prices and packages. In case you're interested, I'm just going to read it off of her site really quick. You can get the Glazed and Bronze full collection, which are the palettes, for $30. You can get the Glazed collection, which is just one palette of your choosing, and the lipsticks, which is $39. The Bronze collection, $39. And then the highlighting kits by themselves, sold separately, are $19. So that is so that you can get an idea the prices of the products, which I think are pretty good. So I am going to open up the highlighting palette. I want to see what it is. I haven't used it yet or anything like that. Packaging is very cute. It's giving you that bronzy type, you know, sheerin, shimmery packaging. This is very large, as you can see. On the back, it does tell you light to medium. I don't know if you can see that because it's kind of shiny. I don't know if the camera is picking that up. But so yeah, so here's the kit. Ooh. Or the palette rather. So there are 4 huge colors, and this is a big palette, so they're good palette sizes. Has the transparent plastic. So yeah, so you're gonna see this one is Diamonds, which is the lighter one. You have Glow Gal, you have Rose All Day, or Rose All Day, and Cinnamon Sugar. So Cinnamon Sugar would be obviously the darker one. I don't think personally I can use the Cinnamon Sugar. This would probably be used more as a blush topper, if anything, because that's really pinky. I can probably just get away with these two, and these two I'll probably just have to find a better way of using it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Diamonds. I want to see how this looks. Oh, okay, so here is the color right here. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand really quick. I don't know if you see it, I hope you do. But here is the next color, which is Glow Gal, and I'm just going to put it here. I'm really hoping that the camera is capturing it. It's really looking bright to me, so I'm having some trouble. But here is the Rose All Day. I'm just gonna put it right over here. Yeah. And then the last one is Cinnamon Sugar. Ooh, that's a really pretty color as well, as you can see. And we're just gonna put it over here. So there is the Cinnamon Sugar, there's the Rose All Day, Glow Gal, and Diamond. So I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to try out the lightest of the bunch, which is Diamonds right here. So let me get a brush. Okay, so I have 3 different highlighter blush brushes. I just want to see how they would look if anything. I just want to see what kind of pickup would they be, because I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this first brush. I just want to see how it picks up with different brushes. So this is the Morphe E61, and I'm just going to go into Diamonds, and I'm going to use it dry first. You guys know that I like to put on my highlighter wet, but I want to see how it performs dry. Okay, so you definitely have a little bit there. Not much is happening. There is some color on there, but I guess because this is a really soft brush, so it's maybe not gonna, you know, deposit as much as I would want. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the next brush that I have here, which is a little bigger and a little more dense. This one, I don't remember which one this is, but so I'm gonna tap into that one now and just swirl it around and see if this brush has a little bit more. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so the brush is going to definitely affect how you do it. So there is the color right there. And I'm definitely getting a little more highlighter. It is pretty, as you can see. It's not blinding at this moment, and notice that I'm still kind of like packing on. It looks like it's buildable, so now it's really starting now to pick up. And I really think that the color is really pretty. It really is. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wet my brush now because I want to see how it looks. Or maybe if I should use this one, which is more dense. This is a dense of the three. So maybe I should pick it up with this and see how it would look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The color is definitely now. You can definitely see a lot more of it. Ooh. All right, so that's that color. It's a pretty color. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna wet it. I wanna see how it performs wet. So I'm going to swirl into the same color, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just wet it a little bit. Let it sit for a second. And now we're gonna see how it looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now it's really, wow. Yeah, see, now it's really getting on there. Love it. I mean, I really do all my highlighters wet, so this is really pretty. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other side. Wet, of course. Okay, so I put the highlighter on the other side. It's definitely more intense when it's wet. However, once you get it on there wet, it's kind of a little hard to blend it out. So I would suggest putting this on dry first. That way you set it, you know, where you want it, you place it where you want it, and then if you want that more intense glow, then you would go ahead and wet your brush and do that. If you wet it first and just put it, I mean, it's gonna be really dramatic, but it's gonna be just a little bit harder to blend out, which is what I'm trying to do right now. I mean, I'm getting it. It's eventually gonna blend out, but it would probably be easier if you put it on dry first and then wet it. So that's if you want to do that. So it looks like these highlighters, as far as the pigmentation, the intensity, this is going to be something that's going to be buildable. I don't feel like this is gonna be, you put it on and bam, you know, it's blinding. To me anyway, but I would have to also keep working on it. But there definitely is color there. Brush is going to make the difference, so you're not going to use a really soft fluffy brush. It's not really going to work. You would get a bigger brush like this, or something that's going to be a little more dense, so that it can pick up the color. As far as, and let me see what brush I have here. All right, I want to try this color just to see how it would look as a topper of some sort. So I'm not gonna put much. I just want to see how it looks. And this is gonna be really pretty. This is really a rosy color. and it's really pretty, and it complements the highlight really well, as you can see here. I don't want to overdo it, but this is definitely a pretty color. This is definitely going to be a topper for your blush. I don't want to put too much. All right, I do like this. This is a nice color. This is really pretty. Definitely would give you a nice rosy glow. So this is definitely giving me a nice rosy glow. And I do like the highlighter color. The thing that I like about it also is that it's not, right now, it does not look super glittery. It's not something that, you know, you're gonna see glitter all over your face. As far as I know right now, I don't see any type of glitter on it. It really looks like a nice wet look. So that's really pretty. Again, it looks like this highlighter is going to be buildable. So if you want to do a natural thing with this, you can. You can also keep building up the color for some more glow. And if you really want something blinding, then you can go ahead and wet your brush. I recommend wetting the brush and not wetting the color. You know, don't go with the wet brush in here. Get the color first, pick up the color, and then wet the brush, because you don't want to ruin the pan. Okay, so that is the Glazed Lip Kit. And I like it. I think it's pretty. Was I expecting a little bit more? I think I kind of was expecting a little bit more. I think I was expecting, like, on first try, like, boom, you know, like, holy crap, you know. I didn't get that. But I'm gonna say again that the highlighter is buildable. So with that in mind, I think that that would be a really good thing. So the highlighter in general, I think, is pretty good. Now the L'Oreal Glazed and Bronze Liquid Lipstick Trio. So this has the three colors: Cabana, Coral Pop, and Mai Tai. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show those colors to you right now. So here are the colors. This one is Mai Tai. This one is Coral Pop, which is the brightest of the bunch. And then this one is Cabana. So I'm gonna go ahead and try those on. Let's see, why don't we try, I think I will try the Mai Tai first. Mai Tai is looking really pretty right now. So here's how the color looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put that on right now. Let me get my trusty mirror. Okay, so again, let me try Mai Tai. Go ahead and put that on. Ooh, this is pretty. And her lippy smells so nice. Ooh. It's funny because it looked lighter in the packaging. Ooh. Yay. Okay, so here is the first color. This is Mai Tai, and I really like it. I thought it was actually gonna be a little more muted. It looked like it was gonna be a little more neutral, but it's actually not. It's a lot brighter, which I don't mind. This is a really, really pretty color. So Mai Tai. So now we're gonna go into the next color, and I'm gonna go into Cabana, which this definitely looks a little, you know, a little more warm and neutral. So let's see how this one looks. Okay guys, excuse my lips if they're starting to get a little red. But here we go with the next one. Ooh. This is pretty. I'm really liking it. Okay, so here is Cabana, and I am loving this shade. This is definitely a more nuded shade. But it's really a beautiful shade. It's a bright nude. I really, really, really like it. Alright, so this is it. This is, again, Cabana. So I'm going to go into the deepest one. This one is Coral Pop. And I like my coral color, so let's see how this one performs. Oof, this is the coral. Very bright. Oof. Noticing that this one is just a little tiny streaky, just a little bit streaky. So you're gonna want to apply this one a little softer, a little more carefully. Okay, so this is Coral Pop, and whoa, this is like a big Coral Pop. This is like a big pop of color. It's really, really bright. And I am loving it. I love this color, absolutely love it. I think that it is just such a gorgeous color. It just wakes you up. So yeah, so these are the 3 colors to her glazed collection. I really love all 3. I can't even say, do I have a favorite? I don't know yet. I really love them all. They all are beautiful. I enjoy the formula. They smell really nice and pleasant. The only thing is that with the Coral Pop, it is just a little bit streaky. So I would recommend letting it dry completely before applying another coat, and just being careful with how you apply it, because you'll see little streak marks and you just want to fix that up. Other than that, it's not really a deal breaker. The other 2 colors are also gorgeous. They appeared a little bit differently in the packaging, but I don't mind it at all. All 3 colors are beautiful. So this is the new collection from Laura Los Angeles. Again, the highlighter kit I do like a lot. I was expecting it, I don't know, I guess I was expecting it to be blinding like on the first application, and that's kind of why I wanted to use different brushes to see, you know, if the brushes had something to do with it or if it was formula, whatever. Again, I found the best application with the highlighter was with a more dense highlighting brush. It picked up a lot more of the color, and I do enjoy this color. I'm liking the diamonds, which is what I have on as the highlight, and I did put as the blush topper the Rose All Day color, so I am enjoying it. It doesn't really look glittery, which is nice. So if you're not really into that, you know, there's a lot of highlighters that have chunks of glitter, and there are some that love that and there's some that don't. So if you don't really want too much of a glittery aspect, you can get this. This highlighter is buildable. Again, if you want like the ultimate, I'm gonna tell you to wet the highlighter or wet the brush after you've applied the highlighter on the brush, but I pretty much do that to a lot of my highlighters to get that, you know, that instant like crazy wet effect. So yeah, but I'm liking the highlighter. It's pretty nice. It's decent. I'm not gonna complain too much about it. Is it going to be like a high-end $50–60 highlighter? No, I don't think so. But again, this is perfect. It's safe. You can't go wrong with these colors. All the colors are really pretty, and again, they're buildable. The lipsticks, I absolutely adore the lipsticks. I've always been a fan of her lip colors anyway. I just really think that it's a really good formula. So she did not fail with these colors either. So I'll put the link below to all the products so that you can check it out, and also check out the other highlighting palette if you're interested. And that's about it. So thank you for watching this video and watch me swatch these new products, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.